The price of the Ford Figo starts at rupees 5.82 lakh and goes up to rupees 8.37 lakhs. Ford Figo is offered in 7 variants. The base model of Figo is Ambient and the top variant Ford Figo Titanium Blue Diesel, which comes at a price tag of rupees 8.37 lakh. We bring you the list of accessories for your Ford Figo, which will not only enhance its look and feel but also keep it safeguarded. Alloy wheels. Lightweight alloy wheels add style to your car while providing maximum driving comfort. This will cost you rupees 4,400. Automatic headlamps allow the ambient lighting sensing technology to automate headlamp while you enjoy your drive. This will cost you rupees 2015. Black body side protection molding to protect the car doors from scratches and minor dents. This will cost you rupees 1268. Body stripe kit enhance the appearance of the car. Single sticker will cost you rupees 1896. Chrome exterior pack gives the car a better aesthetic appeal. This chrome set will cost you rupees 7555. Illuminated scuff plates enhances the visual appeal of the car when illuminated. Protects the rocker panel from scratches and damages. This will cost you rupees 3750. Rear spoiler provides aerodynamic stability to the car while driving at high speed. This will cost rupees 3750. Rear bumper protector. Protect the rear bumper loading lip during loading and unloading of the luggage. This will cost you rupees 1005. Roof rails gives the car a sporty appeal. These roof rails will cost you rupees 6017. And trunk mat to protect original boot carpet in the boot from spillage, dust and dirt to prevent luggage from movement while driving. This will cost you rupees 897. So guys, these are some of the shortlisted accessories for your Ford Figo. Do let us know in the comment section if you want to know about any other accessory. And also do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel Indian Drives.